Hey there, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty. I want to take you on a tour of my new listing at 5961 Yarmouth. Let's go take a look inside. One of the nicest things about this home is when you walk in, you have no idea that it's this big from the outside. It just is very expansive. Very nice, high ceilings, open floor plan. It's a beautiful layout. Over here we have the bedrooms, and over here is like the living area. So we're gonna go there first. Well, first let's look here. You walk into a formal dining area. You've got coffered ceilings, a beautiful dining area. And then in here, the kitchen with a family room for relaxing. Wonderful built-in cabinets on this side, as well as over here. Got a nice sized island. And KitchenAid dishwasher along with a Viking. Got a Viking range. Beautiful place. All right, let's keep going. Over here, this is where you'll probably spend most of your time chilling out, watching TV. And, you know, California has beautiful weather, so you can also open these doors. Got some nice French doors here and spend time chilling outside. Beautiful string lights. And, little patch of grass. There's even drainage in the yard. It's always nice. Very private yard. Perfect for nice, cool Southern California nights. Let's go take a look at the rest. Oh, I gotta show you this. Really nice sized pantry. Look at this. Turn the light on for you. You can go to Costco and have a place to put all your stuff. If that's not enough room, we'll go into the garage. Got a one-car garage with some storage up top and cabinets over here. By the way, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up or down or behind you. It's also good for if you have a YouTube app on your smartphone. It's really cool to watch it that way. Now, when you go back here where the bedrooms are, there's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus an office. And there's a lot of skylights. There's 3 skylights throughout. A full bona fide laundry room with a sink. And we'll check out the primary first. Now you could shut this door and be all to yourself. To your left you have the primary bathroom. Really nice shower, a soaking tub, dual vanities. And then over here, we're gonna have not 1, but 2 closets. So you have 2 here. And this is fun. The way it was designed, there's just a little nook just because of the way the home is, but they managed to make good use of that. It's really great. Another closet here. All right. Again, completely outfitted. You know, you can put these anywhere you want. And, very nice sized bedroom. I mean, this I believe is a king bed, and you have end tables and plenty of room. And then this is the bonus. Now it's a 4-bedroom house. This would be the 5th room, so to speak. This is it can be anything. It can be an office, a nursery, it could be a gym, it could be a little art studio, whatever you want. And also these French doors open to the backyard. Really great. Got the tall ceilings throughout, crown molding. Here's another one of the skylights. You have one here, and there's another one over there. All right, so now we have, that's bedroom 1, so 2, 3, and 4. So let's go into this one. The house had been added on at some point, and I have a feeling this was the primary bedroom before because, you know, it has this nice closet, as well as a vaulted ceiling, and it's en suite. So you have bathroom here. Got a full bathroom here. Another note: there's dual pane windows. 2 more bedrooms down here. This would be the powder room for guests and service those 2 bedrooms. It is also a full bathroom with a shower and tub. Nicely appointed as well. Here's the 3rd skylight, and then there's tons of storage here. So you have these 2 closet spaces. And 2 more closets here, right? And here. And then of course, ample space in the bedrooms. So this would be bedroom number 3. There are plantation shutters too, which are really nice. And then you have a nice closet. And then finally, the 4th bedroom on the front of the house, which is really nice with your plantation shutters as well. Lets in some light. And another nice size closet. All right, so that's it. If you would like to take a look in person, just let me know and we'll line up a private showing for you. Thanks for watching.